Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I am gonna show you how to record your iPhone screen with an application called Recorded. It may helpful for those who is eager to make tutorials by using their own iPhone device. And here is your tip for an iPhone user. First you have to go to your iPhone App Store and search for an app called Recorded in your search area, and you will find the application with the red icon as shown in the screen. Here I already installed this app and right now am using the same to teach you screen recording. Click and get it through your App Store. Once you completed the installation process, you have to add this record button on your quick access menu. For this you have to go first to settings. Just click on settings menu. You can see a lot of options, where you can see an option called Control Center. Click on Control Center, and once you entered into Control Center you have to select Customize Control option, and here you can add your screen record button into your quick menu list. Here I already made it in my quick menu list. As you can see the app name screen recording in my quick list menu. For the tutorial purpose I am going to remove it once again and will show you how to add this on quick list menu. Here I removed my screen recording option from the quick list menu. And now you can add this item from downside. Like here you can see on bottom of my screen there is our screen recording application. Now you can press the green plus button and once again it's included in our iPhone quick bar list. You can see here now it's added again to the same list. Finally go to the main screen of your iPhone and take your quick list menu from the bottom of your screen by dragging from bottom to top in the screen itself. Now the quick bar menu you can see as you see in this screen. Now you can see the record button on bottom side of your iPhone like here you are seeing right now, and click on that. It will count on 1, 2, 3, start. Now it's recording your screen. Whatever you are doing on your screen it will record in your gallery, and once you done you can stop recording by